Do you want to discover the Japanese secret to a long and happy life? Then you must go through this book, Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. Inspiring and comforting, this book will give you the life-changing tools for longevity and happiness. Hi friends, this is Sikandar Brohi. I am an author and a book lover. Recently, I completed reading this book titled Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. The book is written by Hector Garcia and Francis Mirachis. In fact, Ikigai is a Japanese concept which translates roughly as the happiness of always being busy. It also seems to be one way of explaining the extraordinary longevity of the Japanese, especially on the island of Okinawa, where there are 24.55% people over the age of 100 for every 100,000 inhabitants, far more than global average. Friends, in researching these books, the authors interviewed the residents of the Japanese village on the island of Okinawa. According to the book, Ikigai reveals the secrets to their longevity and happiness. How they eat, how they move, how they work, and how they foster collaboration and communication. And their best kept secret, how they find the Ikigai that brings satisfaction to their lives. According to the Japanese, everyone has an Ikigai, a reason for living. And according to the residents of the Japanese village with the world's largest living people, finding it is the key to a happier and longer life. Having a strong sense of Ikigai, the place where passion, mission, vocation, and the profession intersects, means that each day is infused with meaning. Friends, I picked up so many learnings from the book. According to the book, one surprising thing in Japan is how active people remain after they retire. In fact, many Japanese people never retire. They keep doing what they love for as long as their health allows. There is in fact no word in Japanese that means retire in the sense of leaving the workplace for good as in English. Similarly, friends, according to the book, one of the common sayings in Japan is hara hachibu, which is repeated before and after me eating, and means something like fill your belly to 80%. This indicates how our health and happiness is dependent on what and how much we eat. Friends, there are so many life lessons which emerge from Ikigai. For example, it's important to form close bonds within the local communities, learn something new every day, play games and interact with other people, practice mindfulness through focusing on the self and meditation, replace junk food with the fruits, get 7 to 9 hours of sleep every day, play with the children or pets, keep a positive attitude and emotional awareness. Similarly, humor can break negative cycles and reduce anxiety. Friends, the book discusses in detail Morita therapy, Nekon meditation, as well as 7 conditions for achieving a flow in the life. There is also a detailed discussion on the flow strategies in the life. According to the book, the 10 rules of Ikigai are: stay active, don't retire. Second, take it slow. Third, don't fill your stomach. Fourth, surround yourself with good friends. Fifth, get in shape for your next birthday. Sixth, smile. Seventh, reconnect with the nature. Eighth, give thanks. Ninth, live in the moment. And 10th, follow your Ikigai. So friends, I have learned many life lessons from this book. I would highly recommend you read this book. I am leaving the link to the book in the description box for you to purchase it online from Amazon. Thank you very much, friends. This is the end of the review of this interesting book. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Friends, see you soon with the review of another great book. Until then, bye bye.